Hey guys, today is the first day of beginner to advanced course in Canva, so let's get started. This is the front page and then you have to click A for document. Click it. Then you will have this type of interface with a page showing. So first you gotta wait for all the icons to start, and this is the free version, by the way. So we have design tab where you can select all the designs of your page. Then we have elements. You can add all sorts of pictures or every type of element like circles, shapes, everything, whatever you choose. And then we have text. You can add all the text box and everything in the text sizes. And then we have brands. Well, these are not something we need to focus on right now, so first I'm going to teach you how to do it offline. Okay, first you gotta go on elements. You have a lot of elements that are free of cost and that are free, and you can use them offline if you don't have internet. So you gotta get any of the shapes. There are beginners and every time. Then you can also add a heading in it, but we don't need to do that. First you're gonna take a shape with whatever it is. These are a lot of them: diamond, triangles, lines, circles, whatever. So I'm taking just a basic shape since this is a basic class. Take a square. You can adjust the size by these corners. You can make it longer, shorter, thinner, thicker, whatever type you like. Okay, then you can change the color. We can choose any color. You can also choose gradients. Any type of gradient will work, but right now we are choosing a color green. And then you can add a border weight. You can add a border any color, and all sort of borders like dotted, lined, and any type. You can increase the weight of it. You can make it thicker or thinner, but we're using a normal one, so you can use it normal one. Okay, then we have corner rounding. You can use this to round your corners if you want. You can just round the corner and whatever you like. So we're gonna do it a little bit. We have a lot of stuff in here like animation and whatever type you like, bold and whatever. You can use bullets and margins, but right now we're gonna add text into the box. You can, without a text box, you can just insert just words in here. So we're gonna write your name. Okay, your name. You can write anything else in here. Yes, you can see there's a line that's showing us you can write in here. So we're gonna write your name. We have inserted it. You can increase the font size, you can decrease the font size, however you like it. So you can increase the font size by the plus sign, you can decrease it by the minus sign. You can also bold it with the B or with Control B. That will be easier. Okay, then you can make it slant. You can make it in the middle, at the sides, at the left bottom, whichever you like. And then you can also give it a bullet, or you can do just numbering as well. Okay, and then you can select the color of your text. That will be way more prettier and customizable, whatever you like. Be sure to select everything. And then we have Canva Sans, which means the Canva fonts. You can select the writing of Canva in here. we're gonna just do anything, but make sure there is no crown on it because they might be, not pro or free. You can, so right now I'm adding the borders that I showed you earlier. I'm gonna make it normal. It doesn't matter, you can do it up anytime. Okay, so you can basically add anything, write anything. So you're gonna add shapes. There are many types of shapes. They are normal shapes, then you have graphical shapes and aesthetical shapes or whatever, but make sure there is no like a crown on it. If there's a crown, that means it's pro version and you cannot use it until you have a pro version of Canva. Right now we're using free version of it. So I'm adding a bunch of shapes just to explain how you can do it. You can add anything and you can not write in them like you did in the earlier shapes. Okay, you can add a text box in them, then you can write in it, whichever the size or whatever it is. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for your time today. I hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video, and make sure you watch all the other episodes coming up relating this video, related Canva and beginner to advanced courses. So thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, bye.